overall, I like the case, the box. I'm bleeding a lot. Let's see if I could take this out in one piece. Here's the box one more time. Let's check that to the side real quick. This is dope. Has a little bamboo that she carries around. Here we go with the dust filter. So we got Nezuko Kamado, which is cool. I like it. I like the shape. It has the characters right here. Like it's just some rubber pads. You got your power button. Yeah, you know, it's a nice little case. It's a mid ATX tower. And I am going to be getting, let's open this real quick. Take the front panel off. I'm just looking at this. It's pretty cool. You know, it has 4 fans. This is all, they're all RGB. So this is the Asus, it's the GT301 model. And yeah, I like it. You know, I like the dust filter a lot. So it looks like it's gonna be a fun case to build in. I do have, like I was saying, I do have some AIO that I want to get, and a motherboard that corresponds with this theme as well, the Demon Slayer. The Nezuko. It's a motherboard. It's a B550. I can't remember exactly the model number. But there is an AIO as well that has, and it has the plate. It has Nezuko on it as well. But yeah, guys, just a quick little unboxing. I just wanted to do this and show you guys, you know, turn it around. This awesome features. And yeah, like I said, I like this a lot. I like the bamboo and the strap. I like the cutouts that they did here. And of course, it's pink, you know? It's pink and black, so. I like the little details that they added. So as soon as I get the other parts, I will be unboxing those, and I will be doing a build video. Like I said, I just wanted to do this quickly, show you guys if you guys are interested in getting one of these. And that's it, guys. Just be careful when you're opening stuff. even with scissors. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Take it easy and have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. For my box cutter, but I couldn't find it.